Initiating launch sequence.
Hi, thanks for tuning into my channel. Today we're going to be looking at using Arctic Fox's Virgin Pink to dye natural unbleached hair. I have never dyed my hair myself before, which is why I'm staying away from the bleach. I'm a little bit afraid, and I also liked how the Arctic Fox swatch looked on the Arctic Fox website for Virgin Pink on unbleached hair. So, like I said, this is my first time dyeing my hair. Could go horribly wrong. Part of the reason I chose Arctic Fox was it's a bit of a gentler dye. It has a built-in conditioner, kind of, and if I end up just ruining this and have to bleach my hair anyways, I'd like it to be in its healthiest state, but we'll see. Hopefully that doesn't happen. A couple of other things you're going to need to do this are a brush. So I have got a brush that has a brush on one side and a comb on the other to brush the dye in and comb it through. I've been watching some other reviews and videos, and apparently combing the dye through afterwards can help ensure that it's really coated each strand. You're also going to want some gloves to make sure that you don't get any of this dye in your hands. You don't want pink hands at the end of this. As well as some other items which I have ordered but haven't arrived for this intro yet, so I will be using them, but I don't have the objects on me to show you guys right now. And that includes Vaseline to put along your hairline, your ears, your neck, to make sure you don't get dye on your skin, because it can be kind of hard to remove. As well as a shower cap. So hair dye takes better when there's heat, and a shower cap helps keep the heat in. So, like I said, this is my first time dyeing my hair. Virgin hair. I have dyed my hair in a salon before, but that was a few years ago. So this hair is brand new, girl. It is virgin. So we will see what happens. I would say my hair is probably a level 6. It's hard because the roots are a bit lighter than, the tips are a bit lighter than the roots. So we'll see what happens. Have this kind of natural ombre that occurs with my hair. It'd be really nice if I get kind of an ombre effect with the pink, but we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Also, make sure you guys are using a towel and a shirt that you don't really care for. I love this shirt. I will be changing. But make sure that you use a shirt and a towel you don't really care for, because some of the dye will bleed out after, or you'll just leak some on your shirt, and it's always better to be safer than sorry. Dye can be really hard to get out. Anyways, stay tuned to see how this goes. Alright, we're back. So I've changed into a shirt that I don't mind getting dye on, and I've also changed up my glasses. One thing that I did not consider is I don't want to get dye on my glasses, and so this is an old frame. They're slightly askew because they got damaged in a game of basketball. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and start putting Vaseline around my hairline, on my ears, and on my neck, because I'm dyeing all my hair and I don't want to get dye on anything but my hair. So yeah, I've also shampooed my hair because the bottle directions do say to shampoo without conditioner, so I've shampooed and dried it, and we're just gonna jump right in. It smells so good. It smells like candy. It smells kind of like, I don't even know, fruit gushers maybe? Fruit roll up. Put the lid back on. the dyeing, we have to wait. It says at least 30 minutes. I'm probably gonna give it 30 minutes to an hour just to make sure it really sinks in. And like I said earlier, we put a shower cap on to keep the heat in to allow the reaction of the dye to occur. Catch you guys in 30 minutes to an hour. Alright, you guys, and I'm back in my favorite cat shirt. I think this turned out awesome. I love it. It's like a deep raspberry pink, and I think it's perfect for autumn. The tips are a bit lighter than the roots, which I figured would happen, but I think that's good. It adds kind of dynamic and richness to the color. I will put a before and after for you guys to see what I went from and what it came out as. This is with no bleach, Arctic Fox, Virgin Pink. I love it. I found I didn't even need the whole bottle. I still have a little bit of dye left, which I'm going to save and maybe use for touch-ups, or, you know, mix in with some conditioner and use it in the shower when I condition my hair. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, you guys. Please remember to like and subscribe, especially if this video helped you out. It really helps me out, and I hope that you guys have an awesome day. Thanks again for tuning in. See ya.